Hey guys, and welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. In this video we're going to be taking a look really quick at a 2-week update of Turtle Wax's Graphene Acrylic tire shine spray coating. If you remember in the previous video, I cleaned the wheel with Turtle Wax's foaming tire cleaner, their heavy duty tire cleaner that's fairly new to the market, and then we dressed or coated the tire 2 coats with this Graphene tire shine or tire spray coating. And as you can see from the tire behind me, this is the rear driver's side tire that we worked on before. As you can see, the tire is really dull. It looks, again, very clean. It looks brand new, but it doesn't look dressed. It doesn't look anywhere near as good as when it was first applied 2 weeks ago. And again, it's pretty much looked like this for the last week to 10 days. So you be the judge. If you like a tire that looks like this, then just clean the tire. Don't even bother with any dressing, including this stuff. Just clean the tire really well. I do recommend the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions foaming tire cleaner, the stuff we use to prep the tire before this dressing or this coating. That worked really well. As you can see, the tire looks really good. It's just not dressed. So this tire saw real world conditions. It lives outside every day, every night. Gets driven in the sun, in the rain, whatever. So this tire and this coating was very much exposed to real world conditions. And to be honest with you, it's been 2 weeks since I applied the coating. 2 coats, remember we did 2 coats. I wanted to do a 1-week update because it was pretty much gone by then. To be totally honest, about 2 or 3, maybe 4 days later, I saw a major difference. It took a major hit in the sheen of the coating. It looked like it had gone down by at least 50% after about 3 or 4 days, which is not good for something that's called a tire coating. So I didn't have time to make the update a week ago because it was raining last weekend. It was originally filmed on a Sunday afternoon, and it's Sunday afternoon again right now, 2 weeks later. So we've had a lot of rain over the last week, but the first week that this stuff was applied, we didn't have much rain. So this stuff wore off with no rain exposure. It just kind of just wore off. So I'm not sure if I did something wrong. I mean, you saw my prep process. I cleaned the tire, I think, about 4 times or so. In this stuff, the first coat, I let it set for about 15 to 20 minutes, which the directions on the back of the bottle really do not give any set times before you can apply a second coat. So I figured about 20 minutes should be fine. That's about average for most tire coatings. And then I applied the second coat, followed the directions again, same as the first coat. And then you saw some after footage from the next morning, from the next day. Looked really good on first application, but to be honest, all tire dressings and tire coatings look good right after they're applied. So this really, I have to give this stuff a big fat fail because it barely lasted, well, it really didn't even last a week. So if you're thinking about picking this stuff up, I would look elsewhere. I've got about, I'd say about half a bottle left of this stuff, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I might as well just throw it away because I have really no use for a tire dressing, tire coating that barely lasts a week. I like to give my clients a little bit more than that for their money. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. If you haven't seen the original video, I'll link it right up here or here, forget which side. So go back and watch that if you'd like to see the process on which I prepped and then used this stuff. But all in all, again, major fail for this stuff. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.